It's 2-3 days away from 2020. What is today?
The 29th.
It's the 29th of December, 2019. And we are doing something a little different with today's video. We are going to be doing a year in review video. So covering everything YouTube channel, Jenna Rainey channel, 2019. This year was huge for us, right, John?
It was huge.
John quit his job and became Jenna Rainey YouTube channel video guru guy full time. And we started this channel April 19th, 2019, so just over 8 months ago, and it's been amazing. We have totaled, to today, the time of this video recording, we have totaled 49 videos.
Actually, this makes 50.
This makes 50 videos. And mind you, if you didn't know this about us, we had a baby this year. So most of our recording of the videos has to happen late at night when the baby's asleep so that there's no distractions or noise. And so, I don't know, pat ourselves on the back a little bit, John and Jenna Rainey, because it was challenging, but we did it, and we have 49 videos to show for it. So here's a few highlights of the videos we've done this year. We've done everything from watercolor tutorials to calligraphy. We have specific holiday greeting card tutorials, an anemone, a leaf series. So many fun and amazing tutorials. You guys were just eating them up and loved them. And I even did something a little different. I interviewed one of my favorite artists, Mako Chino, on my channel. So we did kind of like a podcast style video. We started a floral illustration series of the alphabet. So I think we're only on letter C.
Yes.
But we did start it, and there's more to come in 2020. But the top 5 videos, so the most watched videos, right? The top 5 videos on our YouTube channel this year were... In 5th place, watercolor tutorial. Paint Simple Leaves Part 2 was the 5th place video with 10,109 views and counting, by the way. In 4th place was also a watercolor tutorial, and it was our spring leaves wreath video. I love that one. That's one of my favorites. And that has 10,187 views and counting. And in 3rd place, we have another watercolor tutorial, and that one was painting roses, a roses tutorial with 11,879 views and counting. And then in 2nd place, we have another watercolor tutorial, painting anemone. That was a big one. People love that one, the anemone flower, with 19,889 views and counting. And then in 1st place, that 1st place video was Painting Simple Leaves Part 3. So it was a 3-part series, and the 3rd part was 1st place overall with a total view count of 21,484 views and counting. Amazing, you guys. So as of December 29th, roughly, December 29th it is, we have a total channel-wide amount of views of 208,735 and counting. Crazy, right?
Wow.
So many thousands of views. Our number of watch hours is 23,637. And our number of subscribers is now up to 12,335. That makes my heart so warm. So with under 9 months, we are up to 12,335 subscribers. So many of you love watercolor and art just like me, and that makes my heart so happy. It makes me soar inside like eagles. Anyways. So along with those numbers and those stats, I also got a little bit of a dose of Oprah up in here with you get a giveaway, you get a giveaway, you get a free download, and you get a free download. And I gave away a lot of paintings. I gave away, I think, 8 paintings over the series of 49 videos, 8 paintings, and tons of free downloads, which if you missed them, they're all gonna be linked in the description below, but things like a floral watercolor ebook, an introduction to modern calligraphy ebook. So if you want to learn calligraphy or watercolor, digitizing your watercolor, digitizing your black and white artwork like calligraphy. What else did I give away? I gave away so many things. Ebooks, guides, all of the things that can take you from hobby artist to digitizing your own work if you want to, and learning how to set up your files, scan your artwork properly, etc. And then if you want more info on learning things like calligraphy and watercolor, I gave you some guides, and they're really good guides too. So check them out if you missed them. So with all of that said, John and I, if you don't know who John is, he's my husband.
I don't know what
that was just like framing your face. John Rainey, now over there, is my husband. We've been married for, it'll be 10 years this August, whoa. But he's my video guy. His official title is Jenna Rainey Video Guy. We sat down a few weeks ago and we nailed down the entire 2020 calendar with, and you'll be excited about this, 1 video per week, YouTube, at least 1 video per week. Brand new tutorial and a fun, exciting series that we can't wait to announce that's coming out later this year in October. I know we have to make you wait, but I don't want to spill the beans. I don't want to, am I allowed to say anything about it?
No
nope.
Spilling the beans.
I can't spill the beans. It's really different and interesting and very exciting, and you guys are gonna be just, I was gonna say in your pants, but I can't say that. You're gonna be so excited to find out. So get ready and get excited. So we're getting more dialed here for the Jenna Rainey YouTube channel. We're releasing, like I said, a brand new tutorial every single week. And sometimes, some weeks, there will be more than just 1 video. I'll also be doing a lot more inside peeks into my business and how I run my business, so that if you're also an artist or a creative and you want to build a thriving creative business, I'm gonna give you some systems and tools and whatnot, insight on how I've built my thriving creative business. So it can help you if you're a business owner, and if you're not, then we have tons of tutorials coming out, like really fun tutorials. There's a full moon in February and we're doing a galaxy painting. Like, come on, it's gonna be great. I think it's in February, I don't know. So expect similar types of tutorials, like we're gonna still be doing, you know, the very popular leaf tutorials, but different types of leaves and florals, etc. And also tons and tons more giveaways. I don't know if that was proper grammar or English. But there's gonna be newer types of tutorials as well. We're gonna do a landscape series. We're gonna do some more sky themed ones, just a little bit different, so that, or sea and ocean themed. So we can branch out a little bit and start painting new things, because we painted a lot of florals in 2019, we discovered. Oh, and design videos. So if you want to learn how to digitize your artwork or create patterns, that sort of thing, expect some design tutorials. And like I mentioned, very, very special surprise coming October 2019. So you only have 10 more months. It's gonna be fine, you can wait that long. Before I sign off for 2019, for the final video of 2019, oh, I'm getting all emotional. I'm not actually crying. Shed a tear. I wanted to just send you, I wish I could hug you through this screen. Lean in here, hug your phone or your TV. I wish I could hug you, because this has been such an incredible year. I am so, so grateful for all of you. If you've ever subscribed or liked a video or commented on a description on a video, all of that makes a huge impact on the work that John and I put into this channel. Because like I said, we have to, you know, film late at night when it's quiet and the baby's asleep. So in putting together all these videos, John does a ton when it comes to the editing and setting up the video equipment, all of that. And I just want to say that your support means the absolute world to us. It reassures us that what we're doing is impactful and it's helping others learn and develop their creativity. And it also helps us continue this channel. And so going into 2020, if we could continue this conversation and this love and support, I would love for you to like and subscribe and, you know, write a comment to us, leave us a note letting us know what you liked about videos, or maybe if you have constructive feedback, whatever it is. This channel is our direct response to you and all of your support over the years of this channel, over the last not even year, over the last 8-ish months. So thank you from the bottom of my heart, and also from John's heart. I can attest from the bottom of his heart. I can see it. He also says thank you. Don't you, John?
Thank you.
So to wrap this whole video up, like I said, am so grateful for you and all of your support over these last few months. But before we sign off, we have a really fun giveaway. So if you like this video, and obviously you have to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below and let us know what your favorite moment of the past 8+ months of the Jenna Rainey channel was. So whether it was a specific tutorial video or a little moment like where I'm being stupid silly, whatever it was, comment below with your favorite moment from the Jenna Rainey channel of 2019. And we are giving away to 2 lucky winners my greeting card set that I designed for Papyrus. So it is a full, I have no idea how many cards are in here, but envelopes, and they have envelope liners in them that I painted, 4 different designs, and they are blank inside, folded cards, Papyrus. So 2 of you will win a set of these cards, and it is open to international entries. That's the word. So get typing away. Let us know what your favorite moment of 2019 was. I can't wait to see your favorite. And also, so leave us with your favorite moment from 2019, but then also comment what you're excited to learn from me in 2020, or what you want to see from me in 2020. So favorite moment of 2019 and what you're looking forward to in 2020. Thanks again. We, like I said, can't express enough how grateful we are for you and your support. It means the world, and I'll see you in 2020.
Finger guns.